In today's chess video, we will explore some fascinating chess opening tricks and traps in the center game. But wait, there's more. I've got an intriguing chess puzzle waiting for all of you. Be sure to stick around until the end to enjoy the complete experience. We begin with the king's pawn opening, playing e4 followed by d4, known as the center game. Black typically responds by capturing the pawn, known as the accepted line. From this position, an aggressive move that white can consider is c3. However, we will not focus on the Danish gambit in this video. If you're interested in a video on the Danish gambit, please let us know in the poll above. Returning to our game, as white, we play queen takes d4, and black attacks the queen with the knight, as expected. Now, we will examine 4 different traps one by one, while also understanding the tactical ideas behind them. These tactics can be applied to similar positions in your future games. Let's begin with the first trap, setting it up with queen to a4. Black responds with queen to e7, attacking the central pawn. We defend the pawn by playing knight to c3. Black continues with knight to f6, increasing pressure on the center. We pin the knight to the queen by playing bishop to g5. Black then plays pawn to d5, adding a third attacker on the pawn. It's important to note that black can play these moves in any order, but the main objective is to attack the center, eventually leading to the same position. In this position, we intentionally ignore the pawn and instead castle on the queen side, inviting black to capture the pawn. Black takes the pawn, and we recapture it with our knight. Now, if black becomes greedy and captures our knight, they will fall into a trap. Let me explain how. Since black can't take with the knight due to the pin, they capture with the queen. At first glance, it may appear that we have given away our knight for free. However, we have a brilliant tactical idea in this position. Can you spot it? Absolutely. The brilliant move we can play here is rook to d8 check. This move creates a powerful pin on the knight, preventing it from capturing the rook. If white decides to capture the rook with the king, we seize the opportunity to capture their queen. The knight is also unable to take back the rook due to being pinned to the king. This sequence of moves sets up an incredible queen trap, showcasing the strategic and tactical complexities of the game. Now, it's time for a puzzle. In the given position, it's white's turn, and you need to find the best move for white. Share your answers in the comments, and let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. Take a moment to check out the other videos appearing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and peace.